Hey everybody, and welcome to another Game On Mobile Help video. I'm here to show you guys brackets. So we're in the league here I've created just for a bracket test, and we're gonna look here. You see I've already created a division called bracket with teams. Just made some colors for teams. We're gonna do 16 bracket. We've already got our diamonds selected. So once you've done that in the advanced settings, you can go to brackets. You can create all that I just showed you in the bracket inside the bracket as well, but we're going to have that done. So we're going to do YouTube test. We're going to do 6 teams. We're going to start it tomorrow, and we're going to do a double knockout format. So here you said we've done 6 teams, so our bracket software will automatically go ahead and show you the top 2 teams. It'll have the 1 seed, the 2 seed, 4 seed, 5 seed, 6 seed. So you can go ahead and fill out this information. So we can go ahead with the 3 and say blue is going to play green. They're going to play on Diamond 1 on the division bracket. It starts Saturday. We're going to start at 9 a.m. Start at 9 a.m. Those are the teams on the top and the bottom. You can switch these around in case you wanted, a different team to be at the different home or away team. So we can go ahead and choose this teams. Orange, purple. We're going to do that on Diamond 2 at the same time, Saturday, 9 a.m. All right. Here you're going to have the 1 seed. So now we can say, that red finished the year in first or whatever. So they're going to be red. And then we don't have to fill in out anything else because the winner of that game is going to go through. They're just going to stay on Diamond 1, Saturday, 10:30. And you can see the team coming through is going to be the winner of that game. So that game set up, and then lastly we still have yellow who got second. They're going to be the 2nd seed playing the winner of 3-6, and they're going to also actually screwed up those diamonds, but let's go ahead and just carry on. We'll just flip-flop it. Wouldn't like me that much as a director making them all switch diamonds, but all right, just to give you guys the idea. All right, so now we've got that sorted out. We're just going to keep going through, and we're just going to continue on making the games for the rest of the bracket. So now, obviously, you won't know what teams go in here, but we'll know the dates and the times and all that, and the venues and that kind of thing. So here we'll do Diamond 1. That was at 10:30. They're going to stay on the diamond until 12. It's going to take the winners of games 6 and 7. See, it highlighted me there. I didn't pick the division. And there you go. And you see it gives us here to create the previous round, so we're going to have to go down here. And these are the loser of games. So this is games loser of 6 and loser of 1. So it has to be a, I'll put those games there at 12. 1, 3. Go ahead and save that. And then we still have Diamond 2 open at 12. We'll do that. Save that. And then we'll go ahead and do this game. They're going to stay on Diamond 2. 1:30. Keep forgetting that, don't I? And then we'll stay 2. You notice all these times are in 24-hour. And then this is going to be the winner of this game and that game. So we can make that, keep it on Diamond 1 at 4:30. And then the finals will be still at 1 at 6 o'clock. And it's going to be, I do have to change this, so this will be the winner of 10. Oh, that's right. Winner of 10 and loser 10. That's correct. All right, so now that we've got this done, this is where we will go and start reporting scores. So if for some reason you hadn't been exactly sure that this 4th seed team was orange, you could write in, 4th seeded team or whatever here instead of picking orange, just to kind of make a placeholder there as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to come in here and we're going to report the scores. Actually, I should show you this first. So say if something's screwed up or you want to make a change here, so what you'd do is you'd go in and you would clear game details. So oops, we didn't really want that to be on Diamond 1. You would clear the game details. And then we hit add another game, and we can go ahead and re-put in the details. Make sure you pick a date. And again, that's just if you make any things that you want to change. If you want to go ahead, you just go ahead and clear details. So we're going to go ahead and report the score here. We're going to say purple won 3-1. And report the score. And you'll see it pushed purple through and then pushed orange down. Now you'll also see if you highlight this, this is the game we're highlighted as blue. The winner of this game will go to green and the loser will go down here to the red. So we'll go ahead and we will say that we're going to report this score. We always recommend all bracket games should be done inside this bracket as opposed to out in the schedule. And you'll see that pushed through green who won and blue down to losers bracket. And if you down here, you'll see the games here too. And these are bracket matches, so if you want to do any of the editing or whatever, it's going to take you right to it. All right, so you see we have our 4 winning teams. Let's just go ahead and just keep plowing through this. Push purple through again, and we got red down here to orange. We got purple and green in the winner, and we won't bore everybody with all the details, but you can see that's how it works. So, and then also while we're at it, we should show you here. So you can go back to your brackets. So you basically have these different options. Obviously, pretty self-explanatory. Edit is where you want to go to report scores, to make changes, to create the brackets, everything like that. And view is where you're going to want to go. This is the link you're going to want to give out. You could do a couple different things. You could either give out this direct link to someone, to everyone who's watching the tournament, and then they can have this link to view from their phones, mobile browser, what have you. They can also, if they're not logged in here, when they go here and they go to brackets, they'll just have the view button, not the edit and delete, and then they can view it. So those are the different ways that you can get people into your bracket. And don't forget always to tell people, search works, sure, but if you searched, the title of the league, but giving this number is super handy too. Teams can just dump in that number in any of the search boxes, and this will come up. So I think that's more or less it for the basics of bracket creation. You can always hit this button. Go to actually should show you, take you through these settings as well. So there's just different buttons where you can show the home and away in case you have predetermined homes and aways. You can hide the seed numbers if you didn't want to show that. You could hide the gut game numbers as well if you didn't want to show that. Developer console is more of an advanced thing. If you talk to our support team or someone like that, they might push you through to a developer console to do something. And here is the quick link buttons. If you wanted to create teams, you can just create them right here in this button. You don't have to go out and go to advanced settings and go through all that. So those are more or less your settings. And that's pretty much it. So as always, if you got any questions, concerns, email us support@gameonmobile.com. And let us know if you have any issues or concerns, and let us know in the comments. Thanks.